Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start right away. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees C, 400 degrees F, and position the rack in the center for even browning. Once done, pat each piece of chicken dry so the coating adheres. Crack 1 egg or measure 1 tablespoon of oil per 2 pieces and dip each piece quickly. This step helps the shake and bake mix cling. Put a measured portion of dry mix into a sealable bag, add the wet dipped piece, and close the bag for the first vigorous shake. Once you have coated the first pieces, shake each bag about 10 to 20 times until the crumbs look evenly distributed. Make sure to gently press excess mix off before arranging chicken on a rack or a lightly greased baking sheet. Leave roughly 2 cm between pieces so hot air circulates. Slide into the preheated oven and set a timer for 25 to 35 minutes depending on piece size. Halfway through, flip each piece to develop uniform crispness. You finish by confirming doneness with a thermometer. The thickest part should reach 74 degrees C, 165 degrees F. Once done, let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes under a loose tent to redistribute juices and keep the crust crisp. If the breading is soggy, make sure to move the pan closer to the top element and broil for 1 to 2 minutes, watching carefully. Troubleshooting tip: if coating falls off, next time pat chicken drier and use the egg or oil step to improve adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.